Welcome to Double Education. If not subscribe, please subscribe and click double icon. So in this session, we're going to discuss our third question. A life insurance agent found that following data about distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age. Policies are given only to persons having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. So for this, we have to prepare class intervals that are already given in the format of cumulative frequencies. So this is in the format of cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency, then why? Because they are given in the increasing order. The number of policy holders. So number of policy holders, they are already given that small n will be equal to 100. That is total 1, they are given 100. That is in the format of increasing order. So age below 20, number of policy holders are 2. Then below 25, number of policy holders are 6. That is 20 and 25. The difference between the classes, you can take it as 5. So class length, let's going to take 25 and 20. The difference, class length will be equal to, so class length will be equal to h. We need to find it. That is 25 to 20. That is 5. So let's find the class intervals, how to make it a class intervals. So class intervals, we can take it as this is 18 dash stressing. So as that starting on 18. So for that, let's going to start 18, then 20 to 25. So 20 to 25. So below 20 means we will get under 20 to 25. Let's go into 25 to again, what is that? 30. So class intervals, we can make it like this. The number of policy holders as they are given here. So below 18, what is the policy holder? Cumulative frequency is 2. Then below 25, 20 to 25 is 6. Then below 30 and 25, between that 24. So like this we need to prepare. So what is the formula of median class? So median will be equal to median. So median small l plus n by 2 minus c of whole divided by this is. So what is the formula? F into h. H is a common everywhere. The class length multiplication, that is common for the median, and more small l is also common. So let's going to prepare the class intervals. The class intervals will be taken as like this. So what is that class intervals here is? Let's find it. So first class interval you can take as we know. So that is 18 to 20. Then 20 to 25. Then 25 to 30. Then 30 to 35, then 35 to 40, below 40 means above 35, then 40 to 45, then 45 to 50, then 50 to 55, then what is that? 55 to 60. So 55 to 60 up to there it is there. Then what is the next one? So next one is nothing but here cumulative frequencies as they are given here 2. Next one is 6 number of below 25, how many policy holders? That is 6. Then below 30, how many policy holders are there? 24. Then below 35, how many policy holders? 45. Then 78 below 40. Then 45 below 89 policy holders are there. Then below 45 to 50, 90. So but it is in the format of 98 and 100. So they are telling that 100 policy holders are there, but it is in increasing order. Policy holders are 100, but they are divided. If you add all these values, this is what final value 100. So for that, number of observations, that is number small n will be equal to 100. So that is the thing here. So let's going to find out what is the frequency values. So frequency is nothing but, so frequency, how to calculate it here is, so that is cumulative frequencies. Let's going to subtract from this down, then what answer we will get. So subtract 100 minus 98. So for this 100, so from this we have to 100 minus 98, what we will get? 2. Then here 98 minus 92, sorry, here 89, 92. So this is 92. 98 minus 92, what is the value? We will get it 6. Then 92 minus 89, above, from down we have to subtraction. So less than cumulative adding from down, from top to down, and subtraction from down to top while calculating frequency. That is 92, 18, 89 is 3. then 89 minus 78 we will get 11, then 78 minus 45 above values that will be 33. So 33, let's find it. 45 minus 24 we will get 21, then 24 minus 6, what answer we will get? 18, then 6 minus 2 will be 4, then 2 as it is. So for this we have to find it what is the n by 2. So n by 2 will be equal to, n by 2 will be equal to 100 by 2, we will get it as 50. So from these cumulative frequencies, which is the near to 50? 45 and 78. So 50 is more than, so 45 less than 50 less than 78. As I told, if they are going to give variables other than variables, if they are going to give values, we have to select upper values always for the median class. So if it is any variable is there, please go with the lower value. So that means 78 is the less than cumulative, so that is cumulative frequency. 35 and 40 is the class interval. This is median class and this is the frequency value. Then what you can say here is frequency is nothing but, so frequency is lower boundary 35 to 40. So what is the lower boundary? 35. The number of observations, as we know, that is 100. Then cumulative frequency of class preceding median class. Preceding median class is nothing but 45. So this is CF. CF is what? 45. Then frequency of the median class 33. Then class size is 5. So we have calculated all these values from this table. Now we have to substitute all the values. Now we have to check it. So go with this. What is the median? So median formula we have to substitute. So median will be equal to, so let's take it median. So median will be equal to small l plus n by 2 minus CF whole divided by f into h. Let's going to substitute all these values. So L is what? 35 plus n by 2 is 50 minus CF is 45 by f frequency. We know that 33 into h is 5. Let's substitute all these values and calculate it. So 35 plus 50 minus 45, 5 by 33 into 5. What answer? 35 plus 25 by 33. So we will get it as, so what is this here is, so 35, let's take LCM, 35 into 33 plus 25 by 33. Let's move on this. 35 into 33, we will get it as 1155 plus 25 by 33 plus 25. We will get it as 1180 by 33. So let's going to cancel with 33. So 33 or 11. So 11 with this we can cancel is 11 3s are. So let's going to cancel 11 3s are, then 11 1s are, then 8 will be there. We can put it 0 here, then 80 will come. So after this, so if you take it 11 1s are, 8 will be 11 0. Let's put it 0 here. Then what we will get? 80. 11 7s are, then again 3 will be there, 30 point. We can, what we will get it here is, so we will get it as 0.33, then 2s are like that. So 107.2 by 3. So let's going to cancel with 3. 3 1s are, then 3 3s are 9, 117, 3 5s are 15, then put point as it is, 222, 3 7s are, then 1 will be 3 7s are 10, again it will come it as 6. So 107.2 whole divided by 3, we will get it as 35.73 and so on. So that one will be equal to 35.73 approximately. You can take it value like this. So what is the median age? Let's going to find it. What is the median age here is? So therefore median age of the policy holder. So median age of the policy holder is equals to 35 or 36 years, approximately 35 to 35.76 years or 73 years, or you can take approximately 36 years. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.